Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm getting ready now for my flight. I have 2 hours for my bus to come. Just having my coffee while I do my makeup. I just realized that I was planning to make this video like while I do my makeup and get ready for work, and I just remembered while doing my makeup halfway. But yeah, nothing is too late, so I'm making this video. And today I'm going to a destination where I've never been before, and I'm super excited. And the place is Taipei in China. I'll be there for 30 hours and I'll show you guys how it goes. So stay tuned. So I'm almost ready. Hair is done, makeup is done, but something is not done, which is my lipstick. Let me put my lipstick. So before I put my lipstick, I have to put on some Vaseline petroleum jelly on my lips, because this lipstick is matte and it gets very dry in the aircraft. So I have to apply the Vaseline before I put on my lipstick, and here it goes. Look, now I look much more vibrant. I'm glowing. Then I'll just take a tissue. Perfect. Look at this baby here. Like, even though I put gel and spray, it always comes out. What can I do? I can't control it. And see ya. Hey guys, welcome back. I just reached in Taipei and my room is gorgeous. Let me show you guys. So big and spacious. It's the entrance, and I have the hanger there, and the bathtub, shower, basin here as well, 2 of them. And then look at this. Is this a bed or? Oh my god, it's so huge. So nice. I love this room. And I have a small sofa here that I can chill and enjoy the view. Let's try to open the. So it's automatic to open the curtains. This is the view outside from my window. Quite nice and beautiful. Let's go and get something to eat. In this night market, it's very interesting because we get a lot of varieties of food and also a lot of stores which sells phone gadgets, phone cover cases, jewelries, and a lot of clothing stores and footwear stores, and also There is a lot of gaming places as well, which is very interesting to explore. How much for the dumpling? How they make dumpling? Huh? So fast. Amazing. Wow. And now it's time for 7-Eleven time. It's mandatory for me to visit a 7-Eleven whenever I am in an Asian country. Squishy. It's like the, I think something like the CSV gave us today. I think something like that. Too much food. Good morning, guys. I just woke up. You know what? I slept for a total of 30 hours. Can you believe it? I wanted to show you guys Taipei currency. So apparently I thought that they might have the same currency like China, but they don't have different currency. So I took out 2000 Taiwanese. I think it's called Taiwanese currency. I think it's written. So I'm thinking to go near the mall and go buy something with this money that I still have. So guys, I just took shower and get ready and show you guys outside here. So I am planning to go to a mall now and let's see what I get there. I'll have lunch because I'm super hungry. And I'll go to a convenience store because I have to buy some noodles, some cup noodles so that I can eat in my layovers like in UK and Paris. So let's get ready. See ya. So guys, I'm all set and ready. Let's go out and do some shopping and eat lunch. See ya. Let's go. This is my outfit. The weather is so good. Kinda humid but windy, and I think I'm dressed well comparing with the weather. And I'm planning to go to Korean restaurant that I saw yesterday. I just want to eat Korean. I'm craving for Korean food, so let's go check it out. I'll show you guys. There is a park around here. Let's go check it out. We have these flowers. This plant in India as well. Wow! Look at this. So nice. So I'm kinda lost. I don't remember where I went yesterday because on the way I saw a Korean restaurant that I wanted to try, but I don't quite remember the way. I think I have to cross the road and I came straight, so I'm going back now. I bought some stuff, but I need to eat first, so let's go and check the Korean restaurant that I was talking about. I went to Watson to get some face wash. I need to get some ramen. So what should I get? Preferably I like Korean. Sorry? I need a bag, yeah. A big one. So guys, I just came back from outside and it was very tiring, very sunny, and then I wanted to eat the Korean restaurant, which the restaurant doesn't open until 5. So I just came back. I ordered room service in the hotel. Quite disappointed, but what can I do? Anyway, I ordered some beef noodles and rice on the side, and I bought these chips from the supermarket. It's so good. Now I'm regretting why I didn't buy more. Then here is my lunch, breakfast, lunch, dinner. It's here. Wow, look at it. And I think the soup is here. I have to pour it there in the bowl. Let's do it. And then let's dig in. Let's try the noodles. It's a lot of meat. Guys, I just slept for 1 hour. I just woke up from my 1 hour nap and I'm already starting back in because it's 7:06 p.m. right now and my wake up call is at 8. I'll back, wash up and get ready for work. I really don't want to go. I'm feeling lazy and tired. I think I slept too much. But yeah, sometimes I deserve this kind of sleep because the day I moved out for this flight, I didn't sleep at all. Because this flight, it departs from Dubai around 3 a.m. and I had to reach my work at 1 a.m. so I didn't sleep at all. Don't judge me that I slept for 13 hours and now another 1 hour, so 14 hours. Anyway, I had a good time here. I bought a lot of groceries from the small supermarket. It was very nice. I love visiting all these small marts like 7-Eleven, Family Mart and all because they sell a lot of useful, tasty foods, you know. And that's all. thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Please do like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. So guys, I'm all set and ready. Look at my uniform. This is how I look. The shoes. See you in my next video. Bye.